Hey guys, it's time for my first video update for the 2016 Box Stock Community Build, which is being hosted by Roadhog 0822 Cliff. Thanks again, buddy, for stepping up and taking this one by the horns. This has been a pretty good fun build so far. I've been working on the motor here, as you can see. I got it pretty much completely assembled. I've worked on that for the last 3 days or so, and had it all primed, washed, and whatnot. And it's been a little tricky. There was some fitting issues. I had to sand some things away to get there's the alternator up here at the top. It took me a little bit to sand some of the edges down to get it to fit properly. But all in all, that's about all I did to it. Was just did some sanding for fitting issues and painted it. And still got some of the interior work here to do and but I went ahead and primed the body, sanded that down with, did about, say it's 6,000 grit, and did some Tamiya primer on it. And this thing comes like, this chassis is like at a 3-stage process. You got the bottom half of the chassis, and this is like the upper subframe. And then after that, you got the actual interior tub, which you put together with the door, the back piece here, and the dash and the firewall, creates the tub which sets into this upper subframe. A little different than what I normally have built, but it's kind of cool. I mean, I think that's a kind of ingenious idea, but gives it more detail. I got the hood primed here this morning. Got done doing that, and there was a little bit of flashing. Now, as an AMT kit, I'm very surprised there's not more flashing in this kit as old as it is, but it really hasn't been a whole lot on here for me to cut and sand on. But that is my first video update for the box stock build. And I just want to say I hope you guys are having a great day. And I also like to thank all my subscribers. Really appreciate you all out there. And I hope you guys have a good rest of the week. Until then, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.